Question number 12. The curve has the equation y is equal to exponential of x square over x minus 2 for x is less than 2. Find the value of dy over dx when x is equal to 0. We have given the equation of curve, and we know that if we want to apply the derivative and given equation has the numerator and denominator both, so we will apply quotient rule, which is du over dv with respect to dx is equals to, and denominator we will have v square, in numerator v is same, and derivative of u minus u, then derivative of v. So in this case this one is u and this one is v. So dy over dx is equals to, in denominator we will have v square, so v is x minus 2, so x minus 2 whole square, and in numerator x minus 2 will be remain same, and we need to derivate the u, which is exponential of x square, minus u will remain same, means exponential of x square will remain same, and derivative of v, which is derivative of x minus 2. Now x minus 2 remains same, derivative of exponential term will remain same, so exponential of x square, and derivative of the powers means derivative of x square with respect to dx, minus exponential of x square, then derivative of x is 1, and derivative of constant negative 2 is 0, so this one is 1 over x minus 2 whole square. Further simplify, we will have x minus 2 times derivative of x square is 2x, so this one is 2x, then exponential of x square minus exponential of x square over x minus 2 whole square. So this is the required derivative of given equation. Now we need to find the value of dy over dx when x is equal to 0. So dy over dx when x is equal to 0, so plugging the value of x equal to 0, so this one is equal to x minus 0 means 0 minus 2, 2 times x is 2 times 0, exponential of 0 minus exponential of 0 over 0 minus 2 whole square. So this one will be equals to 0 minus exponential of 0 is 1 over 0 minus 2 whole square means negative 2 square, which is 4. So this one is equals to negative 1 over 4, which is the dy over dx when x is equal to 0. When x is 0, y is increasing at the rate of 0.5 unit per second. We are given the rate, so it's mean dy over dt, rate of change of y with respect to time is given, which is 0.5 unit per second. Find the corresponding rate of change of x. We need to find the dx over dt, and we already have dy over dx at x is equal to 0 is already we calculated, which is negative 1 over 4. To find the dx over dt, we should apply the chain rule, which says that dy over dx, when we multiply dx in numerator and divide by dt, so this one will be cancelled out and we will have dy over dt. This is the chain rule. We need to find this value, and dy over dt is given, which is 0.5, and dy over dx at x is equal to 0 is already given. So by rearranging, we will have dx over dt is equals to dy over dt over dy over dx, because this one is multiplied, so when we switch on the right side it will be divided, and it is given that it should be at x is equal to 0, so we can say that this one is x is equal to 0. We know that dy over dt at x is equal to 0 is given, which is 0.5, so 0.5 over dy over dx at x is equal to 0, which is negative 1 over 4. So dx over dt is equals to 0.5 times 4 over negative 1, or you can say that this one is negative 2, which is dx over dt. This one is also in unit per second.